Hello student, myself Dr. Kausal Misra, Assistant Professor Chemistry, Government TCL PG College Jangir. In this video, we will discuss the structure and bonding in metal carbonyls. This is for MSc Chemistry, second semester, paper first in Organic Chemistry, Unit 4th. This is first part of this chapter. In metal carbonyls compound, we can see OC2M sigma as well as M2CO pi bonds. That means metal carbonyls have double bonding, which can be represented as OC double bond M. Here one bond is sigma bond and one is pi bond. Let me explain the formation of OC to M sigma bond on the basis of valence bond theory. We know that Lewis structure of CO molecule is C triple bond O. In CO molecule, both C and O atom has one lone pair of electron. According to valence bond theory, the bond formation between carbon and oxygen of CO molecule is shown in following picture. The lone pair of electron present in carbon atom reside in sp hybrid orbitals. All carbonyls contain terminal carbonyl groups which are attached with the metal atom by C2M bond. This bond is generally represented as OC2M bond in metal carbonyls. This bond is formed by the overlap between sp hybrid orbital on C atom of CO containing lone pair of electron and the appropriate empty hybrid orbital of the metal. For examples, in NiCO4, each of 4 OC Ni sigma bond is formed by the overlap between the completely filled sp hybrid orbital on C atom and empty sp3 hybrid orbital of Ni atom. Thus, OC2 Ni sigma bond is sp2 CO to sp3 Ni sigma bond. In CrCO6 molecule, each of the 6 OC Cr sigma bond is sp2CO to D2sp3 Cr sigma bond. In FeCO5 molecules, each of the 5 OC2 Fe sigma bond is sp2CO to dsp3 Fe sigma bond. Now let us see formation of OCM sigma and MCO pi bond in metal carbonyls on the basis of molecular orbital theory. Before explaining the formation of sigma and pi bonds in carbonyls on the basis of MOT, let us first study the molecular orbital energy level diagram of carbon monoxide molecule. This molecular orbital energy level diagram of CO molecules, it clearly shows that the number of valence electron in CO molecule is 10 This energy level diagram contains different molecular orbital of CO molecule in the increasing order of their energies. In the formation of different molecular orbital, x-axis has been assumed as molecular or nuclear axis. The highest occupied or filled molecular orbital HOMO present in the molecular orbital configuration of CO molecule given in this figure is anti-bonding sigma molecular orbital, that is sigma star 2s. This molecular orbital has a lone pair of electron and hence overlap with the vacant suitably directed sigma type orbital on transition metal and form OCM sigma bond. This can also represented as OCM sigma bond. Now let us see formation of MCO pi bond or back donation of electrons. The lowest unoccupied or empty molecular orbital LUMOS present in the molecular orbital configuration of CO molecule are two degenerate empty anti-bonding pi molecular orbitals. These molecular orbitals possess proper symmetry and hence one of these molecular orbitals overlap with the suitable non-bonding filled d orbital of the metal to accept the electrons from the filled d orbital. This overlap results in the formation of MD2CO pi star pi bonds. Since the non-bonding filled d orbital of the metal forms pi bond, these d orbital are called d pi orbital. The formation of MCO pi bond stabilize or strengthen the OCM sigma bond. Since electron density from the metal is accepted by CO in its pi star molecular orbital, CO is called pi acceptor or pi acid ligand, and the property of CO molecule to accept the electron from the metal d orbital into its pi star molecular orbital is called pi acidity. From this discussion, we clearly understand that in the formation of OCM sigma bond, the electron pair donated by CO reside in sigma star 2s molecular orbital of CO, and the formation of MCO pi bond, the electrons donated by M metal are accepted or accommodated by CO in pi star molecular orbital. The shifting of electron density from CO to metal decreases electron density on CO. This enhances pi acceptor power of CO. At the same time, the shifting of electron density from metal to CO increases electron density on CO. This enhances the sigma donor power of CO. The sigma and pi bond formation reinforce each other. The term synergic is used to describe such reinforcement. In simple way, the formation of metal carbon sigma and pi bond can be represented in following ways. Now let us see the effect of back donation on MC and CO bond orders. During the formation of pi bond, electronic charge is transferred from the filled non-bonding d orbitals of the metal to pi star molecular orbital of the ligand CO. This transfer of electronic charge increases MC bond order in the carbonyls and decreases CO bond order in CO. Thus, the increase in metal d electron transfer to pi star orbital of CO will increase the MC bond order in carbonyl and will decrease CO bond order in CO. Let us see some examples. Its example are NiCO4 zero oxidation state, COCO4 minus and FeCO4 2 minus. Since the negative charge on the metal in isoelectronic and isostructural species, it increase as NiCO4 COCO4 minus FeCO4 2 minus. The ease of electron transfer from the metal d orbital to pi star of CO also increases in the same direction. This increase in the age of the electron transfer also increases MC bond order. Here the value of MC bond order is given. Here NIC bond order 1.33, COC bond order 1.89 and FEC bond order 2.16 and decreases in CO bond order. NiCO4 bond order between C and O 2.64, COCO4 bond order between C and O 2.14 and FeCO4 the bond order between C and O is 1.85. This is the end of video lecture. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Thank you.